Now, appear mix up. I try break it down for you. The Kijana, Millie, Barrow, Sunday, Prezi. You understand? So, more to no follow me. Okay? Let's go. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again. The great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Oh, you see Kijana and Millie, them lick down Barrow for the boy Prezi, cause them start link Prezi, like me did state in the other video. But may I make it clear, you see, them and Prezi fall out because of Sunday. What Sunday did, Sunday went and link Barrow brethren and start friend Barrow brethren, and then you see the youth, them Millie and Kijana, them never like that, so them stop link Prezi because of Sunday. See the youth and now Kijana, him did kill 3 men over the ago, and you see Prezi never like that. So Prezi send back for him machine them, the gun them, cause he used to have a youth over the name Pest, and Millie used to work. So him send back for the machine them. You understand? Like me say once again, when Sunday link with dead Barrow, the youth Barrow, link with Barrow friend, that's when the youth them cut off Prezi. There's something about the youth. You see Kijana, him family them very active in the gang and drugs thing and gun thing. Him uncle, him brother, him father, him nephew, him cousin. You understand? That youth there, him family is the Hernandez family. You understand? Even though Kijana dead, the guns them and everything are run quietly. I saw the family they stay. Well, an important note, cause me did talk about some of the cartel them in one of them video. You see the cartel them of Venezuela, them now do no guns for food. The man them a buy new machine for cash. So the cartel them a new gun them really a buy. So you see the Trinidad man them a sell the cartel gun for money and drugs. Me I tell you something about Trinidad. You see, when the man them got jail, it seem like enough of the man them a get them link when them they are jail. Cause if you look upon the youth them, look upon them 2 youth here. Fishy, him up on the right picture, and the other youth. The man them a wear Burberry and Gucci, in a prison, $1,100 and $1,500 jersey in a Trinidad. That the man them a wear in a prison, You understand? And all Gucci flip flops and them thing there, and a chill. See Fishy there so on him phone, a kickback. I think I know him Dior slippers and him Burberry white shirt. So me noticed that with Trinidad. Another thing me hear say, you see when the man them a flex in a prison, the police them not like it and give the youth them a fight and set them up. You see what I'm saying? No, you see Prezi is a different case by himself. Cause you see Prezi, he are definitely the president of Trinidad and Tobago. Yo, let me tell you, you see Prezi, in the beat it come in like Tivoli. You see them man there now left the beat and you see if them man there move a multiple car and all them thing there, You understand? Them man they not leave them stronghold. Like we said, beat them adjust like Tivoli. Prisoner leave Tivoli Garden. Prisoner leave beat them. Now, you see, Sunday and 6 Dan, them learn from Prezi. So them flex in a similar way. You understand? And I just want to note that. Yo, I hope I kinda clarify some things on them youth, yeah, and the dynamics. Me know say it's a complex dynamic in a Trinidad. It's hard to understand. But yeah, me I try wrap my head around it. You know, say a couple years now me dey on Trinidad, so I would say I am an expert in certain things. So with that said, listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Now, me do a little thing on the beryllium robbery. Me know some people not gonna like it. Them are gonna say, yo, Countryman a criminal, but me not care now. One about the white collar criminal them a Jamaica, eh? Me not care.